Okay, so welcome to the next part of our physical body and what you put in your body. So I am going to just read to you today, okay? I think that's the best way to do it. I've contemplated it. I'm just going to read to you here. Most of us have heard of gluten, a protein found in wheat that can cause widespread inflammation in the body. Americans spend billions of dollars on gluten-free diets in an effort to protect their health. But what if we've been missing the root of the problem? Which, you think about it, we really have. Okay, this book, this information that I'm reading from, and the person that has really discovered this and really just turned it into a process, reveals that gluten is just one variety of a common and highly toxic plant-based protein called lectin, or lectins. Okay? So lectins are found not only in grains like wheat, but also in the gluten-free foods most of us commonly regard as healthy, including many fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, and conventional dairy products. These proteins, which are found in the seeds, grains, skins, rinds, and leaves of plants, are designed by nature to protect plants from predators, including humans. Okay, you get that? So these skins, seeds, right, these lectins are meant to protect these plants from even humans or other animals. Protect them from being eaten so they can grow and they can serve their purpose in our world, in our ecosystem. Brilliant, fantastic stuff. Once ingested, they incite a kind of chemical warfare in our bodies, causing inflammatory reactions that can lead to weight gain and serious health conditions. Okay, again, what we talked about earlier. Going through this process has successfully treated tens of thousands of people suffering from autoimmune disorders, diabetes, leaky gut syndrome, heart disease, and neurodegenerative diseases with a protocol that detoxes the cells, repairs the gut, and nourishes the body. So now this information and knowledge, which had previously just been available at clinics, is available again to us through this book. And this is what we use as a basis when you come into our world for physical body. This is, again, we're not asking you to quit or do anything. We'll just give you some more information, right? And we'll just talk about this. It's just so fascinating, and it works because I've done it, and I can tell you all about it. Okay, so sorry about that. I'm just reading. I want to give you just good information here. The simple and daunting fact is lectins are everywhere. So these are the culprits, the lectins, all right? Thankfully, there are some simple hacks that you can easily employ to avoid them, which include peeling your veggies. Lectins are concentrated in the leaves, peels, and seeds of plants. Simply peeling and de-seeding vegetables like tomatoes and peppers reduces their lectin content. Shop for fruit in season. This is fascinating. Fruit contains fewer lectins when ripe. So eating apples, berries, and other lectin-containing fruits at the peak of their ripeness helps minimize your lectin consumption. And the key there is it's got to be ripe naturally, locally ripe. Not something that is ripe at the grocery store because it was picked unripe in Argentina and now we see it and we're eating it year round. That's not good for you. And this is a good one. Swap your brown rice for white. Whole grains and seeds with hard outer coatings are designed by nature to cause digestive distress and are full of lectins. That's why a slice of white bread is healthier than a slice of wheat bread, for example. Fascinating stuff. Okay, hopefully this has piqued your interest. More tomorrow.